Mustang Saline clone. 13Z. Oh, hey, what's up, Mark?
13Z01 cammed out.
Let me get a beer.
That was a gift from a customer, not yours, son. Mine. Yours, not mine. Mine, not yours. We doing a video on the Camaro? Are we live?
You want to do it on the Camaro, or what do you want to do it on?
No, I'm asking you. Are we live right now?
No, I have not been recording for the past 22 seconds.
Well, let's do something crazy then. Hey, are we live? Seriously?
Bro, you're good. Go.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? That's a 13 Camaro cammed out with Z01. You want to do a video? Actually, you know what we should do a video on?
What?
I got an idea. You know, a real good idea. We should run over these beers, these full beers, shake them up real good, and run them over with the monster truck in slow-mo. Good idea?
Why the hell are you still
Dare me
standing
to?
there? Let's go.
Dare me to? Let me get the keys. I'll be right out. Let's go! Check it out! Hot dogging in the monster truck! Hot dogging! Oh, look who it is! Look who's jumping in! What are you doing down there, Chapel? Climbing in. Look, he opened the door and it just cleared right over the car. Or the minivan. Cleared right over the top of the minivan. There it is. Alright, let's go, guys. Check it out. Monster truck crushing beers in slow motion. Take one. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. And today, we are crushing beers in slow-mo. Check it out. We got a whole film crew today. And we got spectators. How you doing, Mark? You ready or what? You ready? You ready? All right, let's do this. All right, slow-mo time. Ready? Now we're gonna convert the camera to slow-mo. Ready? Now. Oh God! Is the can right now? God, that was pretty nerve-wracking. Woo! God, that was kind of scary, but oh well, I did it. See you guys later. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe, hit the notification button. That's for you. Hey, can I catch a ride? Hey, bud, give me a ride in the monster truck. Oh, hey, come back here. Get back here. Hey, get back here. No, come on, give me a ride back. Hey, give me a ride back. Hey, wait. Hey, wait up. Don't forget me. Hey. Hey, wait up, wait up. Hold on. Hey, don't get, I want my ride back. All right. See you guys later. Peace out. Jerk.